Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching us how to properly transfer your Shopify domain over to Webflow from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and there are two things we need to get out of the way first, or rather one thing, and that's we want to make sure that we're logged into our Webflow account as well as our Shopify account as administrators. So as you can see here, I have the site builder open for Webflow as well as the dashboard for Shopify. And the idea here is we would want to extract the relevant info pertaining to our domain over at Shopify and transfer it over to Webflow. And to do that, we'd first navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen to click on settings. And from here, the tab that we're looking for is domains. So it's this one right here between apps and sales channels as well as customer events. So we're going to click on this and you can see that this is my Shopify domain. So I'm going to click on it and copy this text right here and go back to Webflow. And the funny thing about Webflow is that a lot of people would think, myself included, that the domain and DNS configuration would be found on the regular dashboard of Webflow. So I actually spent some time looking for the domains tab here, but it's a setting on Webflow that's actually easily overlooked. But the way to transfer your domain is actually through the site builder, which I'll show you in a sec. So if you guys click on account or look for apps and integrations or general, you'll see that you cannot find the domain configuration anywhere here. So the idea is you'd want to go to the site builder right here. You guys would want to click on home or the pages, and you want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen or the window, and you'll see that there's a button that says publish. So I'm going to click on the drop down for publish, and you'll see right away that under production, there's an option to add a custom domain. So here's how you actually get to connect your Shopify domain over to Webflow. So we're going to click on add a custom domain like so, and it'll redirect you to this page right here under plans. And normally if you guys are on a free plan like me, you wouldn't have access to this. However, once you're past this, once you've bought a package or a plan from Webflow, you'd be able to access the domain configuration settings for this. And show you guys what I mean. Here it is. To show you that you're able to add a custom domain with a basic or CMS or business plan. And all you have to do is paste the domain name that we copied from Shopify over to Webflow. Hit save and you guys are done. So yeah, that's a video. So thank you all for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.